What if a spacecraft could bleed, heal, and survive long after any human engineer could touch it? NASA and ESA are developing something unprecedented. Machines that refuse to die. Chapter 1. Space is trying to kill everything. Space destroys everything we send. Micrometeoroids, violent temperature swings, radiation decay, material fatigue. Every spacecraft is born dying. But what if we stopped designing machines to endure damage and started designing them to repair it? Chapter 2. Self-healing materials, spacecraft that bleed to survive. Self-healing materials. Polymers with tiny veins of resin. When the hull cracks, the veins burst, and the resin bleeds out like clotting blood. The wound seals. The structure restores. The machine survives. But healing after damage isn't enough. The spacecraft must detect damage before it becomes fatal. Chapter 3. The AI Doctor. A machine that senses its own pain. So NASA built a doctor into the machine. Thousands of sensors. Thermal, acoustic, electrical, vibrational, and an AI that predicts failure hours, sometimes days before it happens. Chapter 4. Icebots. The strangest robots NASA ever built. Robots made entirely from frozen water. Break a limb, melt it, refreeze a new one. Continue the mission, regenerate, repeat. Chapter 5. The Immortal Electronics Project. Deep in NASA labs, engineers are building regenerative electronics. Circuits that reroute themselves like neurons. Nanotube bridges that grow across damaged pathways. AI-driven redundancy clusters that heal electrical wounds. The machine becomes a brain that rewires itself. Chapter 6. Mars Sample Return. The first Immortal mission. Years alone on Mars. Dust storms. Radiation. Temperature swings. Self-repair or die. For the first time in history, we are not building a machine for a mission. We are building a machine that outlives the mission. Chapter 7. The Next Era. Machines that outlive humanity. Fast forward 20 to 50 years. Spacecraft regrowing solar panels from lunar dust. 3D printing replacement hulls. Healing radiation burns in circuitry. Evolving their own AI mid-flight. Cloning maintenance drones. Regenerating after catastrophic impacts. These are not machines anymore. They are metallic organisms. Robotic ecosystems. Immortal explorers. Some of these machines may outlive us, traveling the galaxy long after humanity is gone, carrying our data, our curiosity, our fingerprints, our story. If you want more cinematic explorations of AI, robotics, and the future of humanity's long journey into deep space, subscribe. This is Hasan. See you in the next one.